look at this problem. You have no clue how long it took me to make this problem. Just for you kids, just to get 30 views and like 3 cents. At time t equals 0, water begins pouring into an empty container at a constant rate. The water pours into the container until it's full. The situation is modeled by the given graph, where time in seconds is the independent variable, as you can see here, and the depth of the water in the container in centimeters is the dependent variable here, height of the water. For which of the following containers would the graph be appropriate? So let's see what's going on. Okay, it starts filling up kind of quickly, and then slows down and then picks up the pace again. So if you were to pour this in, okay, this would start filling in faster, and then slow. So A is kind of the opposite of we want. Now, if you're like, well, what do you mean it fills in faster? Since the width gets skinnier, it fills at a faster rate. This says start out slow, and then go slower, and then go fast again. Okay, so start out, maybe I should have written it out this way. Start out kind of fast, and then go slower, and then fast again, because it goes from a steep slope to a shallow slope to the same steepness. Okay. B looks promising. It starts out kind of normal, but since it's a wider shape, the rate or the speed at which this fills up starts to slow down. So it goes slower, and then all of a sudden it picks up the speed again because the width of my shape gets skinny again. So it starts normal, gets slower, and then starts picking up the speed. So B seems to do the trick. Now what C would look like is it's going to fill up at a constant rate. So the graph of that's going to look like this. This is an elephant. I have no clue what the heck that's going to look like, but it certainly isn't going to be a pretty little curve that took me forever to make on Desmos for you kids. So the answer for this one is B, because again, you look at the slopes, it goes kind of fast and then slows down and then slows down and then picks up the speed again. And in order for that to happen, you must have a skinny to wide to skinny again. B is going to be our guy, baby. B for bowl. Well, it's not really... Well, it's kind of a bowl, but it's a sphere. Hope this helps.